Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palwar from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty and USD and technical view for the day. In the last week, Nifty opened on a flat note and remained in the extreme volatility throughout the week. And Nifty closed at 9915 with a gain of 29 points compared to the previous week on week basis. So on the weekly chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern, which is a sign of indecisiveness amongst the participants at the current level. So the doji candle is suggesting that at the higher level there is a lack of confidence in the participant. So that is why the market is not moving anywhere, and it's trading in the range of 9800 to 9830, and it's consolidating on the higher side of this move. So Nifty is continuously forming higher top higher bottom formation on the daily chart as well as on the weekly chart, which is sign of positivity for the near term as well as for the short term basis. So any breakout over 99.30 will witness the fresh buying action in the market, and on the higher side 99.80 10,100 level can be seen on the higher side on the breakout of 99.30 level. However, on the lower side 98.20 is the important and key support area for any kind of corrective action. If Nifty spots break below 98.20 level, then we may see further more profit booking to initiate in the market. And if you can drift down towards 9750 or 9700 level on the lower side in the near term to short term basis. As if you look at the other parameters, the Nifty is continuously trading above to all its important moving average, which is sign of positivity, and Nifty is holding the ground on the moving average front as well as on the indicators fronts, and they are supporting the bullish biasness to remain continue in the market. So our preferred strategy would be buy on dips. Whenever you get any kind of dip near to the support area is a buying opportunity in the market. We expect Nifty to trade with the mix with the positive bias in the range of 10,100 on the high side and lower side 9,800 could be the lower band for this coming week. For the day 9895 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty holds and crosses this level, then on the high side 9945, 9980 are the resistance area for the day. Lower side, if it's break below 9895 level, then lower side support is expected around 9860, 9805 for the day. Moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are Delta Corp, Titan, Godrej Property, PC Jewelers, Castrol India, Tata Motor and IGL. Negative bias stocks for the day are DLF, Jubilant Food, Arvind, JKIL, Sun TV and Lupin. Moving to the USDR view, in the last trading session, USDR opened with a negative note and remained in the negative territory throughout the session. USD/INR closed at 64.36, and on the daily chart it has formed a sizable bearish candle with a lower high-low formation, suggesting that there is a negative bias in the near-term basis. As the USD/INR continuously trading below to its important support level of 64.45 or 64.50 level, so we'll see furthermore bearishness to remain continue in the USD/INR. And on the lower side 64.20, 64.10 level can be seen on the lower side. So our preferred strategy would be whenever you see any kind of pullback action near to the 64.45 or 64.55 is a shorting opportunity. One can keep stop loss of 64.60 for their short position, for lower side target of 64.20 to 64.10 in the coming trading session. Thank you.